Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between majestic mountains and sparkling rivers, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was known for her bright smile, infectious laughter, and unwavering determination. Despite facing numerous challenges in her life, she always believed that she could overcome any obstacle that came her way. Maya's village was going through a difficult time. The once lush fields had withered, and the river that provided water to the villagers had started to dry up. The people of the village were losing hope, and a sense of despair hung heavy in the air. One day, Maya decided that she couldn't sit idly by while her village suffered. She embarked on a journey to find the mythical source of life, a legendary spring said to possess magical powers to revive even the most barren lands. With a small backpack filled with determination and a heart full of hope, Maya set off on her quest. She traveled through dense forests, climbed treacherous mountains, and crossed vast deserts. Along the way, she faced countless challenges, encountered fearsome creatures, and endured scorching heat and biting cold. But she never wavered. During her journey, Maya met a wise old man named Aiden, who had dedicated his life to searching for the source of life. Aiden had faced his own share of setbacks and disappointments, but continued his pursuit with unwavering determination. He recognized Maya's spark and saw in her the same resilience and passion he possessed. Aiden became Maya's mentor, guiding her through the toughest moments and teaching her the importance of perseverance and self-belief. He reminded her that the journey was as important as the destination, and that every challenge she encountered was an opportunity for growth. As they traveled together, Maya and Aiden faced numerous trials. At times, Maya felt her spirit weaken, but Aiden's wisdom and encouragement helped her push through. They encountered a raging storm that threatened to tear them apart, but Maya's unyielding spirit and Aiden's unwavering support kept them going. Finally, after months of arduous travel, they reached a hidden valley shrouded in mist. In the center of the valley lay a crystal-clear pool of water, radiating a vibrant energy. Maya's heart swelled with joy and gratitude as she realized that she had found the legendary source of life. With great care, Maya collected the water from the pool in a small vial and made the journey back to her village. As she poured the water from the source of life onto the dry fields and into the parched river, a miraculous transformation occurred. The fields turned green, and the river flowed once again, bringing life and vitality back to the village. News of Maya's incredible journey and the revival of the village spread far and wide. People were inspired by her unwavering determination, her ability to overcome adversity, and her selfless act of bringing life back to her community. Maya's story became a symbol of hope and resilience, reminding people that no matter how difficult life may seem, with belief in oneself and the strength to persevere, miracles can happen. Maya's journey taught everyone that the power to make a difference lies within each one of us, waiting to be awakened by a dream and nurtured by unwavering determination. From that day forward, Maya's village thrived, and the memory of her courageous journey lived on, inspiring generations to come. And Maya, with her bright smile and infectious laughter, continued to spread hope and motivate others to embark on their own remarkable journeys of self-discovery and transformation.